Hi everybody, this is St-Pierre at Physikinaction. Today we're going to prepare some sweet potato french fries. It's not fast, but it's quick and it's easy to make, so that's what we're going to make. You can have them as a snack or you can have them with your meal. Today we're going to have it with fish and some other green vegetable. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a big potato, a big sweet potato. We've already cut 2 slices. We actually like it with the peel. It just gives it some extra flavor, so you might want to wash that out first. You're going to need some olive oil. You're going to need maybe a crack of salt and pepper, and you're going to need cinnamon. So let's get started and you can see what it looks like. All cut up, make sure that they're not too big. You want to make sure that they're bite-sized so that they cook easily. You're going to take a big Ziploc bag. I'm going to put them all in. This will just make it easier to have everything evened out. A little bit of olive oil. 1 crunch of salt. And then 2 of pepper, make sure it's in there. And we like quite a bit of cinnamon in there, so you can always add some in it. It smells really good. I'm going to add a bit more just because it looks like it needs a little coating. Done. We're going to put them on the pan. Just make sure they're spread out. Now the oven's at 350, 375. Depending on the size of your french fries, will keep the 30 minutes, maybe right up to 40 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. Sweet potato fries don't get hard, they get crispy and they'll get a little dark on the side, but the inside will always stay nice and tender. So that's how you're going to be able to tell if they're ready or not. So we're going to put these in the oven and let them sit while we get everything else ready. These look about right. And there you have it. You have your sweet potato fries.